The lat pull-down primarily targets the muscles in the lats, with secondary involvement of the trapezius, rhomboids, posterior deltoids, and biceps. To get started, adjust the pads to a position that securely locks your knees in place. Grasp the wide bar attached to the pull-down cable with an overhand, palms facing away from you grip, with hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Sit upright with your chest up, shoulders down and back, and core engaged. Brace your core, then pull your shoulder blades down and back as you begin the movement by depressing your shoulders. This will engage your lats before starting the pull down. Exhale as you pull the bar down towards your upper chest or just below your chin. Focus on driving your elbows down and back, keeping them close to your body throughout the movement. Imagine squeezing your shoulder blades together as you pull the bar down. At the bottom of the movement, pause briefly and squeeze your lats to maximize muscle activation. Your upper arms should be close to your sides with your elbows bent close to a 90-degree angle. Inhale as you slowly reverse the movement by extending your arms back to the starting position. Focus on keeping tension on your lats throughout the entire range of motion without fully locking out your elbows at the top. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.